In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add price above below EMA in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame will work for this, so just pull up the chart you want to analyze. Once your chart is ready and you can clearly see the candlesticks, we're going to head straight to the indicators menu. Look towards the top of your TradingView screen and find the button labeled Indicators. It's usually located near the middle or left side of the top toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the full Indicators and Strategies panel, where you can search for and add different tools to your chart. Inside this panel, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly inside that search box so it's active and ready for you to type. This is where you can quickly find any built-in script or community script without scrolling through long lists. Now, in that search box, start typing the phrase price above below EMA. Type it in slowly and clearly so TradingView can pull up the exact indicator we're looking for. As you type, you should see results appear underneath the search bar. Look for the indicator called something like price above below EMA. When you see it in the list, click on it once. The moment you click it, TradingView will automatically add it to your active chart. You should now see the indicator appear visually on your chart, often with labels or color changes that help you quickly identify whether the price is currently trading above or below a selected exponential moving average. This is really helpful for quickly gauging trend direction or confirming entries and exits without having to constantly calculate things in your head. Take a moment to zoom in and out of your chart and see how the indicator behaves as price moves relative to the EMA. You can usually customize the settings as well by hovering over the indicator name on your chart and opening the settings menu to adjust the EMA length, colors, or styles to match your own trading system. If you want to unlock more advanced features, more saved layouts, and an overall smoother experience, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro using the affiliate link I've placed in the description. That will give you access to additional tools and will support the channel at the same time. And that's all you need to do to add the price above below EMA indicator in TradingView Pro.